Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're going to revisit the Siqueiros technique, which was in fact what he called the accidental technique. In fact, it's a layer technique, which as you saw on my video a few days ago, he explained the how do you say, the reason why there's different density between each color, and what is the reaction between them. Like you put a black acrylic, then you put white over it. The white is heavier than the black, so it's gonna go down and it's gonna form some cells and everything. So I think it's kind of nice. I think this time, you know, I have a hard time not to, because we did it like I said a few videos ago, but I have a hard time not to take my canvas and move it around, you know, to make some effect with it. So now this time we're really gonna try to see what happens with the simple technique of let it go, just by the density by itself from each colors. So we're not going to put nothing on it. I'm just going to put some water to dilute a bit my acrylic, so it's going to be a bit more fluid, and we're going to put it as is on the canvas. I'm not going to move it. I'm going to put some colors here and there, and we're going to let it sit for as long as it takes to dry, and then we're going to see. I'm going to try to film it, let's say each hour, something like that, each hours or 2 hours. So we're going to really see the change of what happened with the density of the acrylic and when you leave it by itself. So guys, there's no other way to see it than to try it. So let's go and try it. Okay guys, so now it's done. So what can we say more than wow? I think the technique, the simple technique of what we can call the layer technique is quite simple, but you know what? We let the acrylic do the job, and the job is fantastic. You know, I had a problem before, like I say, not to move around the acrylic. Even this time, I had a hard time not to touch it and to let it go as is. But I think the result is great. I don't see it, as I'm talking to you, like always, I don't see it quite dry. But it's been a couple of hours, and I already see the difference between when we just did it. The only thing I think I did put a little too much purple. I think it's it did diluted the white, so it ran over the white, and we don't see the white anymore. That's a shame though. But either way, it's very nice. I think it's one of the nicest, and it's one that we worked the least on. So that's kind of great. And just to show you that the accidental technique, which is in fact pouring, fluid pouring if you want, I think it's nice as is. You can do some great thing without even overworked it, let's say. Sometimes we do too much work on it, and it doesn't matter. As you can see, it's great. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're gonna come back, and thanks for coming over and over. So I hope to see you again, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. So see you on the next video. Take care guys.